What to eat to lose belly fat. Struggling to shed stubborn belly fat? The truth is, abs are made in the kitchen. Let's explore simple, effective changes that help you torch belly fat, leaving you feeling energized and ready to conquer your fitness goals. Fuel your body with lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu. These keep you fuller for longer and boost metabolism as your body works harder to digest them. Protein helps reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan. Add fiber-packed choices like leafy greens, oats, and berries to your plate. They improve digestion and flatten the bloat. Don't fear healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These essential fats help banish belly fat and stabilize blood sugar. Hidden sugars and refined carbs in snacks, pastries, and sodas can sabotage your progress. Replace them with wholesome alternatives like whole grains, fruits, and nutrient-rich meals. These swaps help balance your hormones and shrink fat storage around your waistline. Ready to take control of your nutrition and lose belly fat for good? Start by making these small, powerful changes. Stay consistent and trust the process. Need extra motivation? Sign up for personal coaching today and let's crush those goals together. Your healthier, stronger self is waiting.